Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Prestone tensong. Ha kakat pratrik uyayong ulapli bat bo mau Nongrim. Na kabenta ki Henry ki Pynroi hapo katanat PWD, PHE, tourism, sports, nalor ki wei ki basong dor baro. Hadu shispa hanyo po Klur tingka. Kini ki Henry ki Pynroi ki kentup. Kajing pili Paidbah kasurok UN road pedan mukim. So po mo kabeng. Bat kedok kule kabajrong arpuway pon san kilometer. Hapo ke state road fund hajar apun rio. Ha kajing lut kaba shispa Klur tingka. Kajing pili ya ka waejer water supply scheme. Hapo ka jal jivan mission. Ha kajing lut kaba laipusan pon kendai lai hinyo Klur tingka. Nalor ka children's park ha ka shnong waejer kabalate ha ka jinglut kaba pon not Klur tingka. Lapli Paidbah ru ya ki Tylli ki jaka penyang kali hajan ka multi sports complex waejer nak banta ka national games lingba ka district mineral fund ha ka dor kaba prap khandai pon not lak tingka. Kadba ya ki Tylli ki Pynroi ki balabo mau Nongrim ki long ban penyang ya ki floodlight ki ba khat sau spa lux ha multi sports complex waejer balamang hakador pra pon kendai sau Klur tingka bat kajing maramot thama ya ki surok hapo ka central road infrastructure fund na kabenta usnem hajar apun rio hapo jowai central division jowai bat ka jowai south division jowai hakador kaba arpo pon kendai Klur tingka. Ya uba Prestone tensong la senran da sembut Menteri Rangba uba deiru MLA kathan uba asneu bhalang dhar ha gajing don lang Menteri ka Sarkar jilla uba wailat miki shilla ki MLA kentop ya uba coming one ambon kakong Santa Mary shilla Nujor ki sungo Gabriel Walang Olan Singh Sun Damanbad Lamare Commissioner and Secretary ka Sarkar Vijay Kumar IAS Kumju CEM jong ka GHADC uba Thombor Shiwat nalor ki MDC ka GHADC bat KHADC ki officer bat ki Paidbah babun ha ka jingelang kabalalong ha ka shnong wayajer.
Requested to rise up because the chief guest of honor, they are entering the stage.
Play berapa? Play lama yang gerak tak? Play.
Masnya Baha Lang Dahar, Deputy Chief Minister and local MLA. We felicitate our young Minister, Mawaila Bikisla, Minister of Sports, Youth Affairs. Clap your hands, please. Next is Water Supply Scheme under JJM, 35.97 crore. Next, development work at Water construction of Children's Park, 2 crore. Next, construction of National Games parking 2 numbers, 89.20 lakhs. Next, we will lay foundation stone for projects, construction of and improvement of roads under CRIF, 20.92 crore. Next, lighting system, 8.94 crore.
That has completely
support, and I request Honorable Guest of Honor Masnya Bahalang Dahar, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister to hand over the award.